YouTube. How y'all doing, man? You see this right here? Yeah. Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. The will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go. I got myself over there brushing. Do what I normally do. To get waves, it ain't easy. I gotta be there brushing, you know what I mean? So I cloned myself to, handle my lightweight work, you know what I mean? So let me get into this cut, all right? What y'all about to see is a transformation. My man came in, afroed out, beard all, just everywhere. He needed a cut bad. So I hooked him up with a mid fade, curls on top, and I even did the beard, all right? I know I don't do beards on this channel that much, but I even hooked my man up with a beard. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, Jeezy, tell them. Stay tuned. So before you start cutting, you want to pick the hair out. As you guys can see, I started just diving in with my ball line using my Andis cordless T outliners. I picked the hair out before I actually start recording, so that's why I just started right in with the ball line. So as you can see, I'm dropping the line, but not necessarily making a curved line, dropping it like a drop fade. It's more of like an angle, because I want my fade to kind of angle with his head shape, and this is all about customization, putting a fade to that best fits your client's head. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm customizing my fade to my client's head. So with my modified magic clips, I'm just gonna debulk the bottom, just taking off the rest of that bulk. Using my Barber Rose Gold FX with the 1.5 guard open, I'm just going to take off some of this bulk that's on the sides. So with my wall balding clippers, I'm just gonna freehand the sides, basically taking off some of that bulk at the top. So with my next guideline, I'm setting it in with the lever open. Now, I'm setting this guideline in about 1 inch, and I'm gonna keep it consistent all the way through. Next guideline is with the 1 guard open, again going up about 1 inch, making sure I keep it consistent all the way through. And as you see, I'm kind of flicking out. I'm not really setting a harsh guideline in because I don't want a hard line at the top. So again, putting on that 1.5 guard open, I'm just gonna flick at the top, making sure everything blends in nice and smooth. I'm gonna go up with the 2 guard open and basically run the clipper straight up. Now I'm gonna drop back down to the 1 guard open, basically cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 1.5. This is just, doing some detail work as you blend down. Now with the 0.5 guard close, basically a 0 guard close, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. You want to make sure you start below the line and flick to the line. Now what you want to do is close the lever and in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Flick below the line to the line. So lastly, I'm going with my Bronze Series 9 and just cleaning up the bottom, making it razor bald. This just adds another transition to your blend. So my client didn't want anything off the top, so right now I'm just going to use my shears and clean up the sides and the top. the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to know where you could get any tools that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. If you like the beat, make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will be in the links in the description below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.